this is the big Thomas the Tank Engine kiddie ride by RG Meadow. So let's go. 1, 2, Mitchell's.
When you're ready, press the start button.
Volume's very loud. And Jess. The one in the screen looks so fine. The one in the screen looks very fine, I think. And these ones are mixed up too, Percy. Yeah, this one.
Really useful.
Go, Jerry, go! You're very useful finish, Percy.
I need you to help the
I
other
need you to help the
engines.
other
I
engines.
need you to help the other engines.
James. The span isn't working, I think. As Thomas to say is first. Yeah, the span isn't working, sadly. It's broken. Maybe I want to mature under 1984. I don't know lots of stuff using in Brit. There's the back of it.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines. You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
And that was the V3 RG Meadow Big Thomas the Tank Engine. Started up Meadow in Gorleston.